Hi friends, today we will discuss how to deploy OpenAM 6.5 on JBoss. That is calling OpenAM 6.5 installation on JBoss. Okay. So what are the prerequisites for this? First of all, we need Java 1.8 and OpenAM 6.5 and JBoss. Okay. I think all are installed Java 1.8 in our system. So now I am going to show you how to install JBoss and how to deploy OpenAM 6.5. Okay, so how to download JBoss? So open the browser and search JBoss download. So there is a JBoss community. So here you can observe. So there is JBoss AS 7.1.5 final. These are the archives JBoss. So right now we cannot get any support. Okay, so after the Red Hat hand over this JBoss server and all, so that name is the WildFly. Okay, so go to WildFly and go to download. Here you can see, click on the get the latest JBoss EAP release, JBoss Enterprise Application. So Enterprise Application Platform. So here latest version is 7.3.0. So click on download. So but here we need a account in Red Hat developer. Okay, so if you don't have an account in Red Hat developer, so create account here and then you can click on download. Click on download. So here it is asking Red Hat login ID. So okay, so if you don't have account, you can create new one. Else you can log in with any one of the social media. Okay, so now already I have downloaded in my system. So that is I will show you. So this is the JBoss EAP, JBoss Enterprise Application Platform 7.3.0 installer. So it's not any .exe file, it is a jar file. Okay, so copy the jar file and put it into some other location where we are going to installing. Okay, and I'm going to installing in this location ForgeRock blog JBoss. Yeah, here copy paste it here. Okay, so this is the jar file, not a .exe file. Okay, so meanwhile I have downloaded OpenAM.var also. So I have given many videos how to download OpenAM software from ForgeRock website, so you can go through the videos. Okay. So now open the command prompt. So type java minus jar. So the jar file name. Okay. So enter here. So if give any administrator password if you have. So Red Hat JBoss Enterprise Application Platform. Yeah. Select language. Okay. So yeah. Click on accept the terms of this license agreement. Click on next. Here it is showing users admin. So instead of this path, you can give another path. Now I'm going to I'm creating one folder here. Installation. JBoss installation. Okay. So give this path to there. Copy. Paste it here. Okay. ForgeRock blog JBoss installation EAP 7.3.0. Okay, click on next. So here you can keep it as it is of default values. Click on next. Here, yeah, here you have to give administrator password. This is the administrator username is by default admin. You can give any password whatever you want. So click on next. So password should have at least one non-alphanumeric symbol. Do you want to continue anyway? Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, you can see here installation overview. So installation path, choosing installation packs and administrator user. Click on next. It will take few seconds. Click on next. Perform default configuration. I'm going to selecting perform default configuration. It is enough for our server purpose. Okay. Click on next. So it will take a few seconds. Yeah, click on next. Process finished. So create shortcut for our current users and all users. So you can select for all users. Click on next. So create shortcut in the short menu. So if you can select or you cannot, no need to select, no problem. Okay. So click on next. Oh, done. Okay. Now go to the our location. Here you can see we have given this JBoss installation, and inside that there is a EAP, and here the JBoss was installed. Okay. Now how to start the JBoss? Okay. Now go to in this folder. There is a bin. Okay. So here there is a standalone. Okay. So type it, copy this path and go to this particular path and type standalone.bat. Okay. So what is the default port? This one I will show you the what is the default port and how to change the ports and all. Okay. So there is a file standalone. I will show you standalone.configuration. Open this file in the Notepad++. You can search like a port here. Oh, I opened this .bat, not the bat file. This one standalone.configuration. Yeah, in search port. Just a second. Yeah, configuration standalone search port. Yeah. So where is the standalone.xml? So it is under the standalone folder. Okay. Go to the standalone folder. Go to configuration. There we have a standalone .xml file. Okay. So open in Notepad++. Then search the port. So here we have a multiple ports: AJP port, HTTP port, HTTPS port. So I'm going to changing HTTP port 8991. Okay. And so these are the management ports 990. Okay. So that is calling as a administrator port. Okay. So I'm saving this file and executing the standalone.bat. So it will take few seconds to start the JBoss server. Okay, now here you can see there is a 127.0.0.19990. So this is the our application IP and port. So open the tab, one more tab in the browser, paste it here. It will come. So here it will ask the admin username and password. Okay. So what is the default username? That is admin. Password is I have whatever I have given there. So I'm giving the same password here. Yeah. Okay. Now we have logged in into admin console by using the admin password, admin credentials. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. So before that also we need to do one thing. We need to configure host name in our host file. So that is also I have explained in the video. So how to configure a host name in Windows host file. So I'm going to showing how to configure host name also. Like go to Windows System 32 and drivers etc. Here there is a host file. You can open this host file in the Notepad++, and we have a you can use. So I have going to using this host name. Okay, OpenAM.narayana.tutorial.com. So here also you can use this name also. Okay, instead of the IP, so it will work. Okay. See again, it is asking username and password of admin user. So type admin and password. Okay. So now we are logged in into admin console by using our host name also. Okay. Now, okay. So this is a like a JBoss installation. Okay. So after completion of JBoss installation, then we have to deploy OpenAM application into JBoss. So go to deployments. Okay. So now we have a where is our OpenAM var file inside the JBoss? We have OpenAM.var. So I'm giving this renaming this OpenAM like AM JBoss just for understanding. Okay, AM JBoss. Okay, now upload this var file into JBoss. So click on add upload deployment. Okay, so click a file, drag here, click on that, go to where our OpenAM var file is there. Okay, ForgeRock JBoss. So am JBoss dot var. Okay, okay, yeah. So now we have selected am JBoss dot var and click on next. It is showing JBoss.var runtime.jboss.var. So enabled. Okay, so no need to do any changes here. So click on next, like a finish. Yeah, it will take time because it's a big var file, so it will take minimum at least 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, upload successful. Now click on close. Okay, open the new browser or like a new tab or new window. So click on new private window. OpenAM rhinotutorial.com. Now we have given the application name as AM JBoss. Okay, yeah, you can observe here we have a port is 8991. Here port is 9990 990 because this is the administration port. This is the application ports. Okay, so here you can see the context path AM JBoss. Okay, and this is the application name. Okay, now we are accessing the application from JBoss. Okay, now click on. Now I am not going to showing any create new custom configuration. So I am going to showing create default configuration and custom configuration. Already I have uploaded the video, so you can go through that. Okay, click on create default configuration and accept the license agreement. Click on continue. Give the password here. Okay. But default username is amadmin. Okay, password I have given here. Go click on create configuration. Yeah, this OpenAM installation also will take 1 to 2 minutes. So please hold on. Yeah, configuration completed. Okay, click on proceed to login. Yeah, so enter the default admin username, that is am admin, password. Okay, click on login. Yeah, see, so we have installed OpenAM in on JBoss. Okay, here you can see the here you can see the JBoss installation details, and if you want you can disable also here. Okay, if you want you can enable here. Okay, so this is the installation of OpenAM on JBoss. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give comments. Please subscribe to get more to get latest updates from Narayana tutorial channel. So we are working keep on OpenAM upload videos. Thank you.